Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from rational equations. X belongs to real numbers except -1, as -1 will generate indeterminate form in LHS 0 over 0 form. So we cannot consider our answer as -1. Let's get started. I will write LHS as x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 whole power 5 over x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 2x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 whole power 5. And we will write our RHS as 1025 divided by 1057. Now we are going to subtract both sides from 1. So we are going to write 1 minus. This side also we will write 1 minus. Now we will take LCM. So we will get the numerator of LHS as 2x plus 2 whole power 5 only. The remaining terms will get over. Denominator will be as it is, x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 2x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 whole power 5. And RHS will become 1057 minus 1025. So 25 plus 7, 32 over 1057. Now we can see 2 is common from this bracket and 2 is also common from this bracket. So it will come out as 2 power 5, which will be equal to 32. So let us write 32 times x plus 1 whole power 5 over x plus 2 whole power 5 plus, let me write 4x plus 3 first whole power 5. Then we will write 32 times x plus 1 whole power 5. And RHS is 32 over 1057. Now we will divide both sides by 32. So this 32 and RHS 32 will be over. We will write numerator of RHS 1. Now I will flip our numerator and denominator. Let us consider reciprocal both sides. This side also we will flip. So we can write our equation as x plus 2 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 whole power 5 plus 32 times x plus 1 whole power 5. Denominator will be x plus 1 whole power 5 and RHS will be 1057 after flipping or switching numerator and denominator. Now we will split numerator with respect to denominator and we can write x plus 2 over x plus 1 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 over x plus 1 whole power 5 plus 32 times x plus 1 whole power 5 and denominator is also x plus 1 whole power 5. We will get only 32. RHS will be 1057. Now we will subtract 32 from both the sides. So plus and minus 32 will be over from LHS. We will write our equation x plus 2 over x plus 1 whole power 5 plus 4x plus 3 over x plus 1 whole power 5 will be equal to 1057 minus 32, 1025. Now we will use substitutions. Let us say first bracket x plus 2 over x plus 1. This is A. 4x plus 3 over x plus 1. Let's say this is B. So we can write our first equation A power 5 plus B power 5 equal to 1025. Let's say this is our equation 1. Now we will find A plus B value. So we will write x plus 2 plus 4x plus 3 in the numerator, as denominators are same, x plus 1. So we will write A plus B equal to x plus 2 plus 4x plus 3. In denominator it is x plus 1. We will write 5x plus 5 in the numerator, and denominator is x plus 1. Now we will take 5 common out. So we can write here 5 times x plus 1 over x plus 1. Now we will cancel x plus 1 from numerator denominator. We will get our second equation A plus B equal to 5. Let's say this is equation 2. I will write our first equation also, A power 5 plus B power 5 equal to 1025. This is our equation 1. Now I will consider A plus B whole square value. Let's find out this. So this will be equal to 5 square. I will write here A square plus B square plus 2AB. Right hand side will be 25. So I can write A square plus B square. This will be equal to 25 minus 2AB. So this is the value of A square plus B square, 25 minus 2AB. Now we will calculate A cube plus B cube value. So I will consider cubing both sides. Let me write here A plus B whole cube equal to 5 whole cube. We'll apply A plus B whole cube formula. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB times A plus B equal to 5 cube or 125. Now A plus B is 5. So I can write A cube plus B cube plus 15AB equal to 5 cube. So A cube plus B cube, this will be equal to 5 cube minus 15 AB, or I can write 5 times 25 minus 3 AB. A cube plus B cube. Now A square plus B square is known, A cube plus B cube is known. I am going to multiply both the equations. So I will write here A square plus B square times A cube plus B cube. In RHS we will write 25 minus 2AB times 5 times 25 minus 3AB. We will multiply both the RHS. Now I will literally multiply. So A square times A cube will be A power 5. B square times B cube will be B power 5. And cross product terms will give us A square B cube plus A cube B square, where we will take A square B square common. So in the bracket we can write A plus B, and RHS is 5 times 25 minus 2AB times 25 minus 3AB. Now A plus B is 5, a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 1025. So we will write our equation 1025 plus 5a square b square. Let us write here 1025 plus 5 times a square b square equal to 5 times in the bracket 25 minus 2ab times 25 minus 3ab. Now equation is divisible by 5. We will divide both sides by 5. So 1025 divided by 5, we will get 205. This side also we will divide by 5. This 5 and 5 will be over. We will write here 5 over 5 will be 1, a square b square. RHS will be 25 minus 2ab times 25 minus 3ab. Or we can write a square b square plus 205 will be equal to, multiply both the brackets, we will get 625 minus 75 minus 50 minus 125 ab plus 6a square b square. Now we will take all the terms to RHS. 6a square b square minus a square b square, 5a square b square. Then we will write minus 125 ab. 625 minus 205 will be equal to 420 equal to 0. Again equation is divisible by 5. We will divide both sides by 5 and get a square b square minus 25 ab plus 420 over 5 will be 84 equal to 0. Now 21 times 4 is 84 and 21 plus 4 is 25. We can factorize easily and write ab minus 4 times ab minus 21 equal to 0. From product 0 rule, we will write ab minus 4 equal to 0 or ab minus 21 equal to 0. So we can write ab will be 4 or 21. Now I will write our second equation. A plus b was 5. So from here I can write b is equal to 5 minus a, which we are applying here. So I can write a times 5 minus a equal to 4 and 21. Or we can write 5a minus a square is equal to 4 and 21. So we will get two quadratic equations. Once we will equate with 4, we will be getting a square minus 5a plus 4 equal to 0. First equation. And second equation will be a square minus 5a plus 21 equal to 0. Let's check discriminant of second quadratic equation. So we will write here b square minus 4ac. b is minus 5 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 21. Minus 5 square is 25. 4 times 21 is 84. Value will come out minus 59. Discriminant is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation as we are looking for real solutions. Now here we can see the factors of 4 as 4 times 1. Addition of both will give us 5. So we can easily factorize here. We can write a minus 1 times a minus 4 equal to 0. From product 0 rule, we can write either a minus 1 will be 0 or a minus 4 will be 0. So from first equation, we will get a equal to 1. From second equation, we will get a equal to 4. Now a was our substitution. A was x plus 2 over x plus 1. This was a. Now we will put equal to 1 equal to 4. Let us solve. I will write x plus 2 over x plus 1 equal to 1. and then we will solve x plus 2 over x plus 1 equal to 4. We will cross multiply as x cannot be negative 1. So x plus 2 equal to x plus 1. Now x and x will be cancelled out. 2 equal to 1, which is incorrect, which cannot provide a solution. So I will write no solutions. From second equation, we will cross multiply and write x plus 2 equal to 4 times x plus 1. So x plus 2 will be equal to 4x plus 4. Now we will take x to the RHS. So 4x minus x, 3x. 4 to the LHS, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now we will divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 will be over. We'll get our final answer x equal to minus 2 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.